Hi, I'm Danielle Musso with Remax First, and today I would like to show you this 3-bedroom, 3 full bath townhome with this beautiful view. This community has many wonderful events to get everybody together. In fact, there's a Fall Fest coming up with a puppy parade. It also has a community pool, a community kiddie pool, a hot tub, a community center that you can rent out for a private party, and it has tennis courts and more.